Hi, I'm Wyatt. Welcome to Working with Wyatt. We're at the mountain house. Let's get to work. Now, we're going to put the pipes together. We have to wipe the insides and outsides to make sure there's no dirt. Now, we have to put the purple primer on. You have to put it on the inside of one side and on the outside of the other. Then, we put the cement on. It's not glue because it doesn't stick it together. It welds it together. Now it's time to push it together. A quarter turn and hold it for 30 seconds. You want to know why this is purple? They dye it purple because they want to make the inspectors know that they did it. Nailed it. So we got the last connection to hook it to the house and the septic tank. Now we're going to level it using this leveler. Now we got to pack it in so it doesn't settle. Next, we have to put the dirt under the pipe to support it. So now we got the pipe supporting, which means it won't settle. So now we're going to use this. The level helps me know that it's even. It has to be on an angle so it can flow. Nailed it. Now we gotta cover it up. This is gonna take way too long. This is where my dad teaches me how to work.
Alright, right hand back. Back. Swing it. Left hand that way. Left hand right. Yeah. Right hand right. Alright, swing it back. This way. Yep. Right hand left.
I finally got the hang of it. Thanks, Dad.